Hey, this is Main Art. Thanks for checking out my channel. Today, I'm gonna see if we can do something with charcoal and pastel. I'm going to start a rough outline. You could see we have a few things going on here. We'll just see how that comes into play and see what the kind of face and drawing takes us. So I'm just gonna kind of get in here with a really rough looking base or outline. See what we can come up with. So that's the beauty too of the pastels, where you can really just get a shape, you know, blend in, see where it goes, see where it kind of develops. Sometimes the shadows will almost appear. Just kind of see exactly what we have. So maybe this will be some kind of pirate looking skull. So it's really just a big white space. Then we can kind of get in the charcoal and see what's going on. Um, see what we can do with this darker color. Just gonna shape out some areas here. Maybe this is, like we were saying, almost skull-like, like come through here. You can almost start to see some of it start to form. Darken that. And this starting out is really just going dark and light, seeing where the shapes kind of take us. And then, as my other videos, you'll see I like to just kind of get back in and we could add more detail, more highlights with our charcoal pencil. Yeah, so we could do some cool stuff. And now I'm just really going with the flow here, seeing where this thing's gonna kind of develop and go. Make it really kind of creepy. Okay, so at this point, let's get in with the black charcoal pencil. See if we can enhance some of this. And this still is just really just light outlines. Might give it a little bit of texture here and there. Fade out as we start to see where our shape is gonna go. If you like this kind of stuff, definitely check out some of my other videos. See a lot of interesting, creepier type paintings and horror themed a little bit. I'm just gonna continue to just add some dimension here. Okay, so get in there, darken some areas a little bit. We can always come back with the white, which is cool. Okay, so we're starting to see something develop, which is cool. Just gonna kind of start enhancing some other areas. Just fading that out. And again, what I love here is just the way you can blend pastel and charcoal. Just get some really cool stuff. Really cool. And we're not talking about, you know, symmetry or perfect. We just want to have fun with the drawing. See what we can come up with. Again, follow with the shading, certain areas. Perhaps it's going to be a little darker coming in this side. Right. So really, really kind of interesting thing going on here. And this has all just been charcoal and a little bit of pastel. See if I could get in here with the teeth a little bit. Just adding these lines, this little texture, kind of cool is the one larger looking fang. Maybe this was old school vampire or something. Not sure. Okay, so from here, I'm gonna add a little bit of dimension on this side with that cat. Nice and easy. And we'll come back in just with our blend. Okay, so definitely starting to take shape. Darken in here a little bit. Okay. Very interesting. All right. So from here, we could stay with the dark. We could start to lighten it up a little bit. Or in some cases, I like to get some different coloration in here. See what we can do. This is adding to that texture a little bit. Just nice and easy. Fade it out. Sharper on this side, maybe. As you get in there. Okay. Add some more shading on this side. All right. From here, we do have these other characters down here. I'm just gonna see if I can get in here a little bit. Add some different dimension. These guys, these things. Maybe there's another one right here in the middle. Let's just get that in there. Weird eyes. Strange looking things. Shade that in a little bit. Yeah, so just making a weird kind of creature here, structure. Add those lines, that always gives it a little extra dimension. All right, so yeah, it's definitely starting to look like some strange stuff going on. Again, just really getting in, just having fun. Seeing where it goes. Maybe we could do something pretty cool here with this thing. Let's maybe see what this does. I'm gonna do a weird shade of these eyes. Yeah, and you can see here, we're just, with the pastel too, you could just kind of enhance certain areas. Gives it a cool look. This is just light fading. Now we'll just get in. See if we can add some weird dimensions in here. It's always cool. If you see some of my other videos, you can see how I'll do this kind of thing. A couple areas. See where the structure, the sinew takes us. Let's go a little darker on this side. Just cut that across. Blend some of that in. A little darker in some sections. It's always cool. All right. So from here, let's see, I'm gonna just see if we can start adding some color in this larger feature, and then that might be enough for today's. Or we'll just see where it kind of takes us. Just want to darken some of this up. When you get that solid dark, it does give you a cool contrast, you know, maybe even darken up these interiors to light. Okay, cool. So let's just start adding a little bit extra on this thing, seeing if we can kind of pull some of this out a little bit, give it that floating look. Love the white here. Always do some cool stuff with that white. Just let it fade a little bit. Okay, just get back in, highlight this tooth here a little bit, darken that up. All right, get some more color in, see if we can take this thing. definitely weird, but you could see we can really get that color out. That's pretty cool. Yeah, you get that deeper purple going. Blue purple is always cool. This side, maybe we'll just do a little bit different here. Maybe it's just okay. Get some different look and feel, different colors in there. Come back even with our white. Just go right over that. It's cool. And get some texture. So definitely a lot of dimension in there of different colors. But it really starts to give this thing some cool dimension. Darken up a few more areas, and yeah, I think we should be in good shape. Get a little bit on this outside here. Gets a little bit of this going on. See that out. All right, so yeah. All right. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it. This is main art. Again, if you like this charcoal pastel, a little more of the horror themed, check out my other videos. Of course, I invite you to subscribe as well. Definitely always trying to do some creative, some new stuff. And I encourage you to keep on drawing, stay creative. Thank you so much. Take care.